you guys, it's me Mandiscurls here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful pink look. Perfect for Valentine's Day or for spring or for any time you want. It's what's your fancy. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned.
Okay, so first things first, I'm using the Fenty primer and putting that all over my face, and then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer for my eyelids, and then I'm using the LA Girl Pro Filter Concealer in Toffee, and I'm just putting that underneath my eyebrows and filling that in with my fake beauty blender, and then using a brush afterwards just to clean up the sides. I then use a dark brown pencil that I got from Essence from my local beauty supply store, or no, actually my Shoppers Drug Mart. And I'm just filling in my eyebrows.
So I'm going to be using Juvia's palettes. So I have the Masquerade Mini and the Zulu. I'm going to test out first the Zobo. I know, this is what happened. My palette fell on the floor and all of this caliber one got smashed and that was it. Never really got to use it, so sad. I know. Ooh, pretty.
So as you can see, I'm just building on the makeup that I have.
Okay, so the next one that I am going to use is the Bori. Bori. Blodgees. Bori. In between, I'm going to use the Bori and this one. So I'm just going to try this one out first because I don't remember what it looks like. There's no names for these ones though. And this is the Zulu one. So I'm just getting a little bit of that and patting it on. Oh, it's nice. Okay, I'm back. So you see how this eye is a lot more, like the color is out more. I don't know what happened. It wasn't showing through. So what I did was I just put a little bit of, a little bit of the concealer, the Pro Conceal from LA Girl, and I just put it right here to where my pupil is. And then I kind of blended it out with the same brush that I use for my eyebrows. And I found that the makeup is a lot more poppin'. So it was about trial and error. That was my bad. It's almost like Manda or Mandi. Have you been like not watching other videos? This has been what people have been doing from time. I'm watching the videos, but I'm not watching the videos, if you get what my drift, you know? So it's whatever. So yeah, I'm just taking a little bit of this Bori. Like dancing here to music in my damn head. But right now in my head it's like 80s pop. Actually it's like Square Biz or something. my gosh, yes.
Okay, so moving on, I'm just using the gold eyeshadow from MAC, and I'm just putting that under my eyebrows. And now I'm using some more of the makeup, and I'm just blending that in. I'm using the NYC loose powder, and I'm putting that all over my face, and then using the LA Girl color corrector, and I'm just blending that in.
And so now I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop in Sienna, and put that on my brush. Just one pump for now.
Okay, so now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, and I'm just putting that under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, under my lip, and my chin, and all that places. And I'm just blending that in with my fake beauty blender, and then I'm using the NYC loose powder, and I'm just wiping that off afterwards.
Then I'm going to get the MAC Studio Fix, and this is in NW45. And I'm just gonna put that on my face.
So I then put on some blush. I'm putting on two separate kinds from MAC. It's Telling Glow and Fever, and I'm just putting that on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going in with the same makeup from before, the Zobo and Bori, and putting that underneath my eyes just to give a little pop. And then I'm going to be putting on some mascara. I'm first using the MAC primer, and then I'm going in with the MAC mascara. And then after that, I am putting on some lashes. So I'm using the dual eyelash glue. I'm gonna try ting because I am not the greatest with putting on lashes, but you know, I'm gonna try ting. I'm gonna try.
I did it. I did it. I almost feel like this one is looking a little janky, but girl, I did it.
So now I'm just doing my lips. I'm just using a dark brown lip pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store. And then I'm using the Retro Matte Liquid lipstick from Matte in the color Burnt Spice. And then I'm using the lip gloss from MAC as well. I don't have the name for it, but that is what it is. And then I'm using the finishing spray from MAC. It is the Fix and Gold, I believe. And then because I forgot, I'm using the MAC Skin Finish Gold Deposit Highlighter. And yeah, just putting that more by the apples of my cheeks as well.
So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, my long video. I'm so sorry, but it was a very detailed look on this eye look right here, and I really enjoyed it. If you guys like more videos like this, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a chance when I upload a video or whatever. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Bye.